In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound of sync on a Samsung TV. First, restart your TV to refresh the audio and the video connection. Next, go to your settings, sounds, and the expert settings, and adjust the audio delay or audio sync options that the sound matches the picture. If you're using a soundbar or external speaker, make sure they are properly connected and set as the correct sound output. You can also check for the software updates under settings, support, software update, then make sure it was up to date. Since updates can fix sync issues, you can also try switching HDMI port or using a different HDMI cable. And that's how you fix Samsung TV sound out of sync quickly and easily.